What's going on, YouTube? It's Octane Red 392. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about how to get rid of moisture on the inside of your headlights. This is for pretty much any cars that have aftermarket headlights on them, or any type of moisture that's getting on the inside and you're trying not to pay a lot of money to have it done or get it taken care of, which usually means cracking the headlight open and resealing it, which you may have to do at the end of the entire process anyways. But if you're okay with a little bit of moisture, this is the way you get rid of it from time to time when it gets heavy. So you're gonna use what they call workshop lights. You can probably get them at Walmart for like 40 bucks. That's what I did. I'm doing this to show you guys how you get rid of moisture out of your headlights. Also guys, before you turn your lights on to heat up your headlight, there's a cap back here, a vent you gotta loosen up to pretty much open. And hand's too big. Well, you can kind of see it. This is it right here. It's circular. I don't know if you can see a little bit of it right there. You can just press it down. And there it is. Now the gases can escape out when the headlights are going to be heated up a little bit to get the moisture out. All right, guys. So this is my headlight with the moisture in it. I just turned the light on, so this usually takes about 10 minutes. I have a dual set, so just got my headlights with a little moisture in them. You can use this to get rid of the moisture. I'll be showing an update when it's gone in probably 10 to 15 minutes. So, all right, update. As you can see, all the moisture from right there is already gone. Just wait on this last little bit right here. And you can see the finished product. All right, there you have it. I'm in need for a little sanding of the headlight to get all these little rock chips out of here. Still hot though. There you go. Now, this cap, as it go back in, as you can see on here, it says to remove, turn to the left, because it goes on like that, so it'll be the left. So put it on, turn to the right. All right. All right, guys, that was the end of the video. Hope I was able to show you something you didn't know, or just, a little something extra, a little bit of moisture headlight knowledge, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, later, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share.